Here we go.
Go down to the left, and then right after we're through the gate.
Log. Is it the right between these trees
Right,
here?
yeah, right here.
Yeah.
And then
This side of that big tree.
this side of that big tree, indeed.
Yeah.
Back up the hill for 8.
And
Across here,
over there.
over here, and down this bit here for 7. Sorry, just to make that move. 7's down in the
I
forest.
can see the red.
Yeah. We've got to
We have
come
to
all
go
the way
through those
down.
narrow trees again,
We'll
don't we?
go through the narrow trees, agreed.
Yes, that's it. I remember that bit. I do remember some bits.
Back up the hill. 6 is sort of ahead once we straighten up. Go dead ahead for 6. You've got to bear right.
Yep.
Round this tree. Mind out the stump. And then 5 is down there. Keep towards the red cane for 5, away from the branch.
I remember.
You're all good here.
So, tell me I'm safe your side.
Space, space. There you go, there you go. Loads, like happy days.
That worked well.
Take a left.
Go a bit wide, don't
Go a
you?
bit wide because we
Then
want to slalom through 3, 2, 1. So, round that way a little bit. This is your red 3 here.
Yeah. Is that your
Check
little
round.
trunk you were worried about?
There you go. You like that? You're good. You're good. You're good.
We done it.
Well driven. Well